Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix 0xC004D302 error on a computer running Microsoft Windows non-core edition run slui.exe. Type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand HKey local machine, click and expand software, click and expand Microsoft, click and expand Windows NT. Click and expand current version, click software protection platform. Open Skiprearm, change value data to 1, close and exit Registry editor. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.